Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Liu. In today's video I'm going to show you how to pick a good digital product from affiliate marketplace called ClickBank. So stay tuned for that. So affiliate marketing is a process of selling other company product or other people product and get commission, right? Simple. But how do you become affiliate marketer? So the way how you become affiliate marketing is by joining affiliate program, just by signing up on some company's website. Most of them are free, and before you start as an affiliate marketing business though, you have to choose a niche or what industry are you going to be in or what industry are you going to be interested. For example, it could be health and fitness, it could be dating niche or wealth or gardening and so on. The big industries are health, wealth and dating. Under these big industries there are a bunch of subcategories which I'm going to show you in a second. There are a lot of affiliate product marketplace you can just go and pick up a product from, and most of the marketplace are free to sign up, such as ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and there are so many more. There's also Legendary Marketer if you are aiming for a bigger commission, and there are so many affiliate marketplace, right? So you will never run out of product to sell to people, and what's more about is how to find the right product to sell. So that's the most important. So today in this video, as an example, I'm going to show you how to pick a good product from a place called ClickBank. The reason I choose ClickBank is because ClickBank is a beginner friendly and they approve virtually almost everyone, and they have an amazing selection of products to promote. And I will show you this on the screen in a second, but there is a bunch of places, not only ClickBank, but there is a lot of other places you can choose a product from. This is just an example. So I'm going to show you how to pick a good product from ClickBank, right? So the first thing you have to do is just go to Google and type www.clickbank.com, and then once you type that, it will lead you to this page. If you don't have the account yet, you can just come here and sign up or fill all the information. Once you sign up, you will come here and sign in. I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in there. So once we landed on the marketplace, we are going to look at on this category on the left hand. As you can see, there's a category, but if you click this one, there is a subcategory of each business or each product. So what we are going to look is one category, like for example, e-business and marketing. When you click one category, this category, if you want to choose, like for example, affiliate marketing, you can just click that and see like a bunch of products under affiliate marketing. And you can see here there is like 277.99 commission. All these are, the first commission on average commission. So I'll just talk about that also in a second. So these are the product that we are going to promote. Like for example, if you want to promote ClickBank University, there is a 277.99 commission per sale, and as you can see, all of them they have their own first average commission. So I'm gonna walk you through, step by step. So the first thing you want to pay attention to is average amount of the money per sale. Like for example, as you can see in CV University, the first initial payment of the, when you sell the product, you get the $44.34 and a recurring bill of $265, because a recurring means actually when someone sign up on this university and then every time they pay money for a subscription, and you get paid as well. So the gravity means this is basically how many different affiliates are making sales. And the other important thing is, before you even like pick any product, you come to on the left side and you see this little box. You have to check this one, because the affiliate program must have affiliate tools page, that including sales page. And also if you want the affiliate program to support that for mobile traffic, you have to check this one as well. And also if you want to get an affiliate commission that is recurring, you have to check this one. So when you do this, ClickBank automatically filter out according to your selection. Okay, so this is really the key, and this is important. Then the next thing you do is you come here and you change the gravity number product, which has a gravity from 20 to 50 are generally a good product. So I'm going to type in 20 to 50, and then automatically ClickBank will sort out according to your gravity score. Okay, so once you figure out which product to promote, and once you figure out which product you are interested to promote, the next thing you do is just check every page of the affiliate marketing. Like, for example, you choose this ClickBank University product, right? So you just click here and see the sales page, what it looks like. It has.
Hey, it's Justin, and if
okay, you have to make sure that the product has a video, because some people like to watch a video instead of reading about the product, right? So you have to make sure that you have to include the video, and as well as the the sales letter. So you are going to select the affiliate page and see if they have like a sales letter as well. Okay, but as you can see, this ClickBank University needs some kind of approval to be in order to be their affiliate. So you have to fill up the form. You have to enter your name, your address, and enter your ClickBank ID, and then ask permission to become an affiliate. Once you do that, you can see that they have all the information you needed about how to become their affiliate. Actually, they have the whole information. Once you become an affiliate, they will send you the whole information. If you want to take another example, let's just take this one, also the 12-minute affiliate program. By the way, I'm not pushing you, or I'm not recommending you to choose this product. I'm just showing you as an example.
in this quick video, I'm going to share with you a really easy way of making money.
So you see that they have a video, so you're just gonna come in affiliate page and check all the information that's needed to to promote, or like what kind of tools they are providing. So just take your time and see all the information are really like helpful for you, and also if they have a tool that help you to promote, because you don't want to make a sales page by yourself. You have to make sure that they have a good sales page so that you don't have to work all of that. Okay, so just as you can see, there's a bunch of information. I'm not gonna go through all of this information for now, because I'm just gonna show you as an example. But you can do that, like you can play around and see basically what they offer you. So whether it's some banner to help you out, a video, some kind of later sale or something. So once you figure out, what product to promote, and you are happy with the product, what you're gonna do is you just come this box and promote the product, and it will ask you to put your user and ID, I mean your username. Once you already subscribed to this website, they will automatically generate your username ID with the unique ID of the product, right? So I have my username and ID, so I'm just gonna generate hot link, and your link automatically pop up on this box. So you're just gonna copy this one and paste it anywhere you want. That's the product, that's the link you are going to promote. Okay, I hope this makes sense, and I hope you get some information about this. In the future video, I'm going to show you like step by step in details, because this video is going to be long if I show you everything step by step. But I hope it gives you some kind of insight how to pick a good product from ClickBank. And it's not very complicated, guys, but it takes time to pick a good product, because at the end of the day, the product you are promoting must be good and should have the value to give to people, should solve the people problem. So you have to really like focus on that. And then once you focus on that, and once you figure out the product, it's very easy to promote. And the other things is, make sure you pick a product that's really resonate with you and also helpful for a customer. Okay, so this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it makes sense for you. I'm gonna show you detail in the future videos, because otherwise it's gonna take a long time if I show you everything in one video. But I hope you gain some kind of insight about how to pick a good product from ClickBank. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also if you want to see more of this kind of video in the future, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. So some people videos and go straight to the main training, you can do that by clicking the link down below. And then you will get access to the 50-day online business challenge, which gets you taking action right away. And I generally want you to succeed with your online business. So go ahead and click the link down below this video and get started. And otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.